Hello friends, welcome to ExamBright, your study partner. In this video, we will discuss the most important current affairs of 23rd February. The first question is, at which location the 11th World Petrocoal Congress and the World Future Fuel Summit was organized? The correct answer is New Delhi. This event was organized in New Delhi. And this event was inaugurated by Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmendra Pradhan. Next question. Who will be the ambassador of the Karnataka Agricultural Department? The correct answer is Darshan. Darshan is a Karnataka actor and he will be the ambassador of the Karnataka Agriculture Department. And talking about Karnataka, the capital is Bengaluru, the governor is Vajubhai Vala and the chief minister is B.S. Yediyurappa. Next question. Who became the costliest player in the history of Indian Premier League auction? The correct answer is Chris Morris. Chris Morris became the costliest player in the history of Indian Premier League auction. And he is a South African all-rounder and Rajasthan Royals has selected him for Rs 16.25 crore for the IPL 2021. Next question. Which state has launched the K-Phone project to provide high-speed internet connectivity in government offices and educational institutions? The correct answer is Kerala. Kerala launched this K-Phone project and K-Phone stands for Kerala Fiber Optic Network Project. And talking about Kerala, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram, the governor is Arif Muhammad Khan, and the chief minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Next question. Faf du Plessis announced retirement from Test cricket. He plays for which country? The correct answer is South Africa. He plays for South Africa. And he has represented South Africa in 69 Test matches. Next question. Which Indian Navy ship participated in the Naval Defense Exhibition NAVDEX 21 and the International Defense Exhibition IDEX 21? The correct answer is INS Pralaya. INS Pralaya participated in this Naval Defense Exhibition and International Defense Exhibition. And this is held in Abu Dhabi in UAE. And talking about Indian Navy, it was founded in 26 January 1950 and the Chief of Naval Staff is Admiral Karamveer Singh. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Mahabahu Brahmaputra initiative. This initiative is launched for which state? The correct answer is Assam. As you know, Brahmaputra is a river in Assam, so this initiative is launched in Assam. Talking about Assam, the capital is Dispur. The Chief Minister of Assam is Sarvananda Sonowal. The Governor is Professor Jagdish Mukhi. And some national parks of Assam are Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, and Nameri National Park. Next question. Who has launched the eChhawani portal to facilitate ease of living for the resident of cantonment boards? The correct answer is Rajnath Singh. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has launched this eChhawani portal. Next question. Who has been given the additional charge of Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry after Kiran Bedi was removed from the post? The correct answer is Tamilisai Soundara-Rajan. Tamilisai Soundara-Rajan is a governor of Telangana and she has been given the additional charge as a Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Next question. Which state has launched the free gift milk to girl student initiative? The correct answer is Sikkim. Sikkim has launched this free gift milk to girl students initiative. And this initiative will benefit around 1500 students who would be provided 200 ml of milk every day. And talking about Sikkim, the capital is Gangtok, the governor is Ganga Prasad, and the chief minister is Prem Singh Tamang. Next question. In which location fossils of the world's oldest animal, Dickinsonia, has been discovered? The correct answer is Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. In Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, this fossil has been discovered and this is about 550 million years old. Next question. India has successfully test-fired Helena and Dhruvastra anti-tank guided missiles. These missiles are developed by which organization? The correct answer is DRDO. The Helena and Dhruvastra anti-tank guided missiles are developed by DRDO. Talking about DRDO, the full form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It is headquartered in DRDO Bhavan, New Delhi, and the chairman is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Next question. Amazon will set up its first Indian manufacturing facility in which city? The correct answer is Chennai. Amazon will set up its manufacturing unit in Chennai. And talking about Amazon, it is headquartered in Seattle, Washington, US, and the CEO of Amazon is Jeff Bezos. Next question. The government of India has decided how many banks to privatize. The correct answer is 4. The government will privatize 4 banks. And these 4 banks are Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank, and Central Bank of India. Now here are the answers to the previous J quiz. The first question was, which country will start trials of the Astra Mark II missile in 2021? The correct answer is India. India will start trials of Astra Mark II missile. And the second question was, which motor company has launched the ultimate mobility vehicle named Tiger X1? The correct answer is Hyundai Motor Company. Hyundai Motor Company has launched this vehicle. Now here are the questions for the quiz of today. The first question is, which company has won the title sponsorship for IPL 2021? And the second question is, who has been honored with the Scotch Chief Minister of the Year award? Write your answer in the comment box and I will share the correct answer in the next video. If you found this video helpful, like and share, and also subscribe to our channel Exam Droid for daily current affair updates. Thank you.